Lexicon Management Institute of Leadership and Excellence Pune has received an overall rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars by students on Shiksha.com. How is the MBA program here? Let's find out in this detailed college review. Starting right off with the 4.5 rated placements. According to the latest placement report, 97.5% of the MBA students were placed. A total of 185 companies including HSBC, Accenture, Reliance Retail, FirstCry, Grow, Godrej and TIAA visited and offered roles such as Operations Manager, Sales and Program Manager, Accountant, Quality Assurance and Debt Manager. The highest package was 19 lakh per annum while the average was 7.78 lakh per annum. When compared to Bharati Vidyapeeth's Institute of Management and Entrepreneurship Development, the average package is similar for both institutions. Students appreciate the placement opportunities, noting that most were placed in good companies. Regarding internships, the college provides a 9-month internship with one-on-one mentorship. The highest stipend was 51,000 per month with the average at 16,000 rupees. The top 10% earned around 29,000 rupees and the top 25% received 26,000 per month. Moving on now to the academics, where Lexicon Mile offers a 4.5 rated MBA program with 3 specializations: Marketing and Human Resource Management, Research and Business Analytics, and Finance, Marketing and Human Resource Management. Admission is based on CAT, MAT, CMAT, MHCET, XAT, ATMA and GMAT entrance exam scores, with eligibility requiring 50% in graduation. The total tuition fees is approximately 9 lakh rupees for a 2-year duration. For financial assistance, merit-based scholarships are provided. Switching gears to the 4.5 rated infrastructure. The college campus spans 122 acres featuring Wi-Fi enabled facilities, modern classrooms, a well-stocked library and auditoriums. Hostel accommodations are provided for both boys and girls with amenities such as attached bathrooms, dressing tables, study tables and chairs. Students share that the hostels are similar to stanza living. Sports facilities include a basketball court, grounds for cricket and football and a gymnasium. Additional facilities include seminar halls, canteens and medical facilities. Turning to 4.6 rated faculty and course. Students appreciate the highly qualified faculty, many of whom are experts in their fields. Visiting faculty members, including entrepreneurs and MNC trainers from institutions like Symbiosis, also contribute to the learning experience. Students also receive multiple certifications to help them become industry ready. The course includes core subjects like economics for managers, entrepreneurship, managerial accounting, and marketing. It also offers skill development in MS Office, digital marketing, financial modeling, and neuro-linguistic programming. Electives are available in marketing, finance, HR, and analytics. The institute collaborates with industry leaders such as eClerx, TIAA, and NISM. Additionally, it has its own Center of Research and Innovation, offering data-driven insights to businesses. Now on to the 4.5-star rated campus life. Lexicon Mile provides a vibrant campus life with various councils and committees including the Student Council, Marketing and PR, events, sports, and social welfare committees. The college hosts events like Lexicon Cricket Premier League, Lexicon Heartbeats, Bharat Leadership Award, and a golf tournament. Lastly, Lexicon Mile is currently unranked in the NIRF 2024 report. For more details on Lexicon Management Institute of Leadership and Excellence Pune and to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We did like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.